Hello everyone. So in our previous video, we talked about how to retrieve the values. Now here, if you are interested in updating the value, then how you can update. So I think this will be like same thing only like previous case, like how to establish the connection and everything. And then cursor object, obviously you have to create. So in this program also the cursor object name is cur, and this is our query actually. Update the name of the table, which is student, and set name of the column city equal to Manali, where city equal to what? Mumbai. So wherever Mumbai is there, it will get replaced by Manali. And then obviously we are executing this query. That variable name is SQL, and then we are printing that how many records are updated. And the other things are, obviously, if something goes wrong in this section or in this part, then obviously it will jump to except block, and finally blocks always get executed. So we will get for sure answer resource released. So control S and F5. See, two records are updated. Now, suppose you want to check which two records are updated, then just like your this previous example only, you can write this query select star from student, and then you can execute that command also. You can fetch all the data, and then %s because of the varchar and everything, and ID name Sam and city. Here you will get the updated city value. So control S and F5. Okay, so there is indentation only. 1 minute. Okay, yeah, done. Okay, F5. See, we are getting, instead of Mumbai, we are getting answer as what? Manali over here. And these are the three records. So this is all about how you can update any column. It is not like only city, you can update any column like ID also, name also, semester also, but you just have to write this query. Thank you everyone.